Hi, I'm Laura Chacon-Garbado, Director of North America Auto Nutrition Product Training here at Herbalife. One of the most common questions I get is, will we ever have a hydrating mask for clients and members who have dry skin? Well, today I'm here to show you how you can make your own. All you need are 3 simple ingredients: 3 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of herbal aloe soothing gel. Oatmeal and honey are known for their hydrating properties, and our herbal aloe soothing gel leaves skin smoother and softer. It's infused with aloe vera and skin conditioning botanicals to moisturize and soothe the skin, so this mask is great for people with dry and sensitive skin. Now here's what you do. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl and mix them until they form a paste. Apply to clean face and neck, then let the mask set for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse well with warm water and your Herbalife Skin Soothing Aloe Cleanser. Pat your skin dry, spray some toner, add some moisturizer, and you're ready to go. For more great resources to introduce Herbalife Skin to your clients, visit myherbalife.com.